time put up there.
So it gets all of our
audio is
sounds.
in the thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
great.
you're gonna hear us. And we started, and Preston immediately joins when we started, and I'm like, Preston, say something funny, and he goes, XD Lamau, and Evan
he
just
said
stops the
Ligma.
run. Oh, he said
He said
Ligma,
Ligma, yeah.
that's what it
Ligma
was.
XD
I thought it was funny
And then
because
Evan
like,
just restarts it and goes, I don't want that in there.
Yeah.
well, it was like Evan. No, because I was like, okay, 3, 2, button. So...
Hello.
All right, get
Hello.
the thing ready. Get your menus ready.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright.
All right, 3,
Joe back on the
2,
boulders.
1.
Joining game.
Alright, here we go.
There we go.
Here we go, here we go, here we go!
Skip story.
Okay.
www.thekidfrombrooklyn.com. You ever see that guy?
DMCA'd on this.
Why would we get... We're not getting DMCA'd by the kid from Brooklyn.com.
I think he died.
I think he did die.
That's really sad.
Too many
Enough
Quaaludes.
of
It's
this.
actually rather sad.
He's up on the big Quaalude in the sky.
He is, he's on the sky, Quaalude. Kid from Brooklyn.
Oh shit.
Quoi?
No one ever takes that block back.
Did last time.
I started it and then I went off it early last time. So I always just think it's wrong. Your mother.
Oh, whoa! It's almost as good as my joke.
You ever see the video?
Like
It's like
great.
this. It's this old woman yelling at this guy in the parking lot, and then he goes, "Yeah, you know what? Your mother." And she looks like he just like murdered her family in front of her. She gets so offended by that.
I don't know that one. I thought you were gonna be the one where the neighbors like yelling at the guy for something, and then the old woman they're just going.
Tu vas là?
Yes. Woo, woo, woo. That's a great one.
Hello there. I think we had time for a pit stop at the super secret game.
No. Don't have time for the super secret game. Speedrun it.
We're cruising this time. We're setting. We're setting good.
I like how when you trip an alarm in this one, it doesn't really do anything versus
Hey, 2 of you guys stay back. Evan and I will go.
versus
Yeah,
a
I'll-
pickpocket story where it instantly lasers for like
Yeah,
a third of the health.
Quoi? Je suis sûr d'avoir entendu.
Maybe Evan shouldn't be the one to pick up the objective. He does move the slowest.
Well, he needed the mole to get there, though.
Also, we
I know,
but
but
then
like
after
whoever's with
we
you
have the
can just
same
go get
moves
it, and you start running
everyone
back.
has the same move speed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Pretty
I
sure.
don't think so.
Don't think that's correct.
I don't think that's right, man.
We're gonna look like a bunch of Monaco fools on
Yeah,
this
Evan,
video.
you look significantly slower
Okay,
than
check
us.
this out.
Well, this is kind of an outlier.
Well, yeah, hang on.
Watch this drive. You were saying.
You know, I stand correct. I'm so sorry, sir. My bad.
It's-
Gotta grab the band.
Bastard.
we gotta-
Oh. Todd didn't get any bandages.
I never do.
Oh,
Lives dangerously.
shoot, shoot.
Probably because I don't really know how to use items in this game.
I always do that. I always
You
do that.
it's just that quick.
Todd. You
Literally.
click the
The
mouse.
main computer button.
Someone be the
Oh my
gentleman.
God!
Someone
Oh my
be the
lord.
gentleman.
Okay, I'll be the freaking gentleman.
I'm the mole. I don't be the other character.
I'm the lookout. I don't be the other character either.
Never. You were always the hacker. What are you guys doing?
I don't know. I got back in time. I
Look
got
out.
back in time. I got back in time. Not my fault.
Hey, eat it.
Les gars.
I'm remembering not to go up and around this time.
Went up and around.
Okay, up and around is faster, so I'll just die.
Alright, I'll eat the dog.
Sleeping dogs.
I like that game.
The game is called Monaco because we put the dog goes to sleepy. Nighty night. We gotta make our own splits for this game where one of them is dog sleeping.
Absolutely.
Oh, Patrick. I don't know if you've ever played the Ranger, but you get a animal familiar.
Yeah.
So I picked this Raven, and the Raven's default name is just Quoth.
Hey, good
Quoth.
job.
I'm like, yeah, that's pretty good.
Gonna walk
Is
through
it
the
quoth or
Oh, that's
quoth?
sweet.
Like I feel like it's quoth,
Quoth.
but quoth sounds so much better.
It's Quoth.
Quoth is way better.
The
Yeah.
Raven, nevermore.
The
like
Simpsons
quoth.
episode says quoth.
Sure, the Raven
Okay,
was
that's a
quoth.
great source. For
Wait,
academic
Tom, what was your
source on?
source?
One of the most
The,
famous.
the Simpsons Haunted Treehouse episode says quoth.
Which one? There's like 20 of those.
The Haunted Treehouse of Horror episode.
I do
whichever
love
one
The
has
Simpsons.
whichever one has the Nevermore, the Raven one.
The Raven.
I don't know. I think it's a season. That's for sure.
Quoi?
Todd, I thought you were like a Simpsons super fan. This is incredibly embarrassing.
Qui entendant?
No
I love
comment.
how we go through staircases faster when all four of us are on it, when in reality, imagine four dudes trying to go through the same staircase at once. How much slower that would be.
Yeah, that's why I really
Just
like
for
video
lookout.
games, because you could just like do whatever you like. You could just do crazy stuff like four guys trying to get on a staircase. Isn't that crazy?
Started
You can
with
do
four
that.
guys. I kind of
Four guys, one staircase.
Okay, this is the one where we need to go up top.
Alright, so this is what we're going up top. Evan and I will go to the thing.
I'll just follow.
Everyone get a wrench.
Angela Bassett did the thing.
What?
What direction do we go? Is it up, top left?
Top left.
Left. Alright, let's go. I ran into a wall.
You don't
I'm
know that
very
clip
good.
from, like, whatever award show that was?
No.
Just watching some world rap.
Hey, Evan,
like,
maybe you
Angela
should, like,
Bassett.
not be silly.
Oh, I like vaguely know what you're talking
Go to
about.
the top? Oh no.
What's the
I
top
do like
half?
Angela Bassett from American Horror Story.
So,
I got locked out.
Great actress.
Entendant un bruit dans le coin.
I thought you were just standing still.
No.
I think you're about to be locked out.
No, go up, go up.
T'es sûr d'avoir entendu?
Dang it. I should have taken a
you don't
wrench.
need to use you don't need to use the wrench if we're waiting on Todd. Okay, I'm busting into the vault.
You two, Evan and I go out.
Patrick, where are you going?
Break the wall so we go.
I'm waiting in the staircase
Go
for
down.
everyone.
No, he's right. He's right.
We're good.
Right.
You go in the helicopter landing pad. Go.
Yes. Duh.
My
Does
bad.
anyone have a wrench? Use the wrench at the helicopter.
Yeah, I have it.
We all used our wrench, and then hacker's not in, and then pickpocket's not in.
Oh my lord.
Okay, this is the one where we like
Wait.
really messed up last time.
Yeah. Oh, it just made better
But
this
the-
time.
you
That's what I
found
have to say. I like.
Okay.
I think it was Pat's.
Oh, remember
advice
the
to
top
stick
path for
together.
this one too. The top path for this one as well.
I'm gonna grab an EMP.
Do it.
Smart, yeah. Maybe let's all grab one just to use.
Too late. Get out of the lake.
Oh, I'm walking literally into the wall. Literally, actually. Okay,
Go up
forget.
bottom.
Qui va là?
Where do we need to go?
I think we just go left because the staircase at the top left. Yeah. make your way there.
Yeah.
What's the record?
Alright, hey guys, please don't die. Please don't die. Oh my lord.
I'm not dead, but I'm about to die.
Yeah, Patrick, you can't do that. Okay, Patrick, get in.
Tu vas là?
I'm revving. I have enough health to just take it.
Okay.
Quoi?
Run. I have the door unlocked. Okay, now let's go.
What's this in? Oh, the gates.
Yeah, the spinning gates.
Up top
go
is
up top,
quicker.
Up top.
Quoi?
Oh, wow, that is so much better, man.
Patrick, use that.
I need it so badly, yeah.
Way more, yeah. I'm just grabbing.
Where's the escape?
Okay, up.
From whence we came.
Okay. Yep, I will
Nevermore.
get it ready.
I'm low health and behind you guys.
Stairs are ready.
Go.
I am 1 hit away from death.
I'm
We have
also
to
one
run.
hit.
They're going to be right here.
Chill. Wait. Okay, let's take it easy. Take it easy.
As soon as someone goes outside.
Okay.
As someone literally leaves.
Well, the guys just need to. Okay. No, never mind. They're going to screw off.
EMP. Bro, we have the EMPs. Oh wait, here it is.
Oh, it's right here. I'm
Right here.
on my way out. Just get in. I'm in.
Okay.
Who's not in?
Look
Oh,
out.
it's me. It's
Oh
me.
my.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Please. Come
Come
on.
on.
Okay, we survived.
We did it. Yes.
That was not your finest hour.
Hey.
Was not your finest hour.
No. He let us up top though, so I'll give him a pass.
Okay. I mean, I thought I let us stop.
I let us.
I don't think so.
I am the salad, so therefore I
Je
let
vais
it.
te tuer!
He brought it back.
Arrête-toi,
Oh,
voleur!
he's
The salad.
Je vais
Incredible.
te tuer!
I thought they said atomic exhibits.
Oh, just like that movie.
Oppenheimer?
The Incredibles.
Oppenheimer.
No, the Sound of Freedom.
I'm an idiot. I'm into a wall. Is it top secret storage? Is that where we're
Must
going?
be. To that guy.
Nice,
All right,
nice,
let's come
nice.
over here.
Pushing his corpse.
I didn't want to deal with him.
Not suspicious at all.
And then we just
All
grab
right,
the
so-
stuff here. Just do it, just real quick, like 1, 2.
Quoi?
Not even.
Je vais te
I will be
tuer!
back in a
I'm
second.
not Almost dead. But I'm okay.
T'es sûr d'avoir
okay.
entendu un bruit? Tu vas là?
Okay, that worked out well.
And then next floor we just leave. We go to the left. The car's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it top
top
left?
I think the car's top left.
I think it's top left.
Je te tire, scélérat!
Shit.
Il y a
Go.
quelqu'un-
Shit.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Maybe.
Tu vas là?
I got it.
good for you.
The no health hero.
T'es sûr d'avoir entendu ça?
I cannot
Okay,
get
in
him
the
back.
car. Okay. You should be okay. Get in. Oh, thank God.
That's how we do it. This one we go top
This
left.
one, we go top left.
We don't.
No.
There's no need to go underground.
It's okay. Everyone get a gun. Except for me, I will get a bomb.
Done.
Toi, voleur!
Oh my god.
Regarde!
I did that last time too.
I know.
Where's the? Oh, it's just the red.
Todd, you go ahead.
Yeah, but I mean, whoever can get them, if like I'm not in a good spot.
I think she's just in the private pool.
Tu vas là?
Private pool.
Je te... Arrête-toi, voleur! Je vais te tuer! Arrête-toi, voleur!
Running back to the stairs. That's too much for me.
You're gonna die.
Yeah, I died.
I'm gonna die.
Arrête-toi, voleur!
I have fallen.
Be a fast revive now.
Luckily, Todd's the redhead now.
Yeah, that's
Je
kinda-
vais te tuer. Je te... Arrête-toi, voleur.
So is the underground the exit or is it street level?
I think it's street
street
level.
level. There's cars like where we spawn. Just go for it.
Garde. Garde.
Oh yeah, I see.
We're in. Great. Much better than last time.
Much better.
We'll take that.
Alright,
Okay, this is an actual run.
Our final characters.
Sorry.
Okay.
I forget the path in this one.
I don't.
Wait, this tunnel left, this tunnel left. Give me tunnel left.
Well,
Yeah,
there's also
there's stuff
one at the
up
beginning.
Oh, is there? Oh, shoot.
I'll
Okay,
open
never
that
mind.
now, though. It's a good idea.
Okay,
Is
you
there
guys go
anything in the
to
bottom?
left.
Oh yeah, there's one on the top left too, by the way.
Okay. Are you able to get that? And then I'm currently.
Oh,
in
Todd, you got the top left.
Right.
Yeah, I got it.
Right there. There's one guy ahead of us.
I'm going down. I'm going down.
Okay. You got it, Todd?
I don't know how you just did that little health. He's
Wow.
crazy. He's crazy.
That was insane.
Todd,
Todd,
you
get
might
that
wanna
health
get that
kit.
Med kit
Get that health kit. You deserve it.
for your efforts. Good sir. Venting. Hopefully this
Je
takes
te-
us to like right
Non,
there.
non, juste derrière.
It's not right there, but it's close.
There's still
Right
one
here.
more though, right?
Level,
Oh, no,
street
we
level.
got it.
That's it. Straight
Oh, get out.
Je... Oh,
Oh my God, sorry.
Okay, now we
And
just
it's
pop right
here,
out.
And then it's right here.
Well, it's not right here for non-mole characters.
Yeah, but
Yeah. I would do not.
That's not us.
I hope that when they make Monaco 2, they really keep them all. That would bring me such
we
joy.
just need to be a touch more careful now that we're like in the end.
Yeah.
Grab band-aids like normal.
Okay, I'll get the
Okay, this is the niner.
I'll get the shotgun.
So what? How many are on this floor versus the next floor?
No idea.
See, there's one
We got it
objective
pretty
bottom.
quickly last time.
It's a bottom right objective.
voilà.
There's a top
I'm
objective.
going for the bottom right one.
I got the top
I'm
left.
I'm with
I got
Evan.
bottom
I got top right. I got top
He goes
right.
to the staircase at top right.
for staircase.
Oh, c'est de rien.
I don't know how that
Beautiful.
works. That should not have worked.
Hey, it did.
Alright, I'll unlock this guy. Okay, so let's get out of here this way.
Fuck.
Arrête-toi,
Where we
voleur.
going?
I don't know, but I need
Are we
to
going
grab
back the same
Oh, it's
staircase?
We're not
We still need two more.
dead.
I'm
There's
dead.
2 more on this side of the thing.
What the hell? Let me revive him.
Garde.
I don't know why it's jostling you around. I used a band-aid. I didn't probably use one on Todd.
Je crois que c'est bon.
Tu vas là.
Oh, it's just those. Do whatever you did, but backwards, and let's get
Je
out of
te
here.
tue. Arrête-toi,
I
voleur.
went down.
Je crois que c'est bon.
We'll come back.
Ils ont dégarpillé.
I'm low, so I don't know how much.
I don't know if I can.
There's like
I-
18 people
Why would
there.
you do that? Pat,
I
we'll go
didn't- I
at the
thought I had
same.
more.
We'll go at the same. Or Todd, we'll go at the same time. And just
I thought I
give it a
had more
second.
health
There's-
than I did.
There were still like 20 people there.
They, no,
There's
not
good.
at the moment.
They're,
There's
they're
one guy.
good. You guys are good to go. There's one guy.
que ce bruit?
There's a guy on me.
Okay,
This is savable. This is fine.
this is fine. This is fine. If you can
I
get
know it's
Todd,
You gotta be
fine.
careful.
Patrick
This
and
guy-
I are pretty much unguarded.
He's. It's
So you get Todd.
We're so back. And then Todd will spawn with more health, so a rev will be easy. Calculate.
Alright.
Thanks, Todd.
Yeah,
It just like shoots me past every time whenever if two people are together.
I have it.
The
don't
first
worry.
time
Wait,
someone
wait,
revs,
don't,
it
don't
like
leave, don't
shoots
leave,
me.
That we all just
Oh,
left.
no.
Je te
Je crois que c'est
tue.
bon.
I'm sorry. My,
Arrête-toi,
Evan, do you have
voleur.
bandages or something?
Yeah, I died in a really bad spot. You thought,
Shit.
Sûr d'avoir entendu.
just get up. Yeah.
Hein?
And then we need
Je vais te tuer.
Je crois que
Dead.
Shit, we'll get him.
j'étais sûr
Eh,
d'avoir.
That's
Ils
fine.
ont
We're
dégâts.
just gonna hide in here. Hide in here.
no, I'm so far away from a band-aid.
I have this.
You're good.
I Patrick, stay there.
Yeah.
It's
And I will.
clear.
There you go. There you go.
Same.
Right.
Okay, I'm grabbing band-aids again.
There's 5.
I don't think there were
Like
any.
Locksmith.
Was there like one on this floor or none on this floor?
There's gotta be one on this floor. But I don't think so.
Actually, don't know if there is.
Oh yeah, there's one top left.
Left,
top
you got it? Okay. I'm in the
Got it.
staircase.
Where's the staircase? Oh, I see it. I'm down.
It's fine. Just die, we'll rev you. Just die.
I did.
Right.
Oh, what's this guy
I
doing? He doesn't know anything.
Someone get in the stairs.
I'll go in the stairs. Todd, you might die again. You're at 2 health. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
That's a good spot to die.
It's good. Right.
Bottom left. And bottom right.
Qui va là? Hein? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
I'm just opening it. I'm just opening it for safety.
T'es sûr d'avoir entendu quelque chose?
I
qu'il-
died running in a
Oh
med kit.
shit.
I'm right next to health. I'm right next to health.
Yeah.
You could also tunnel over.
That actually is.
Okay, do we
maybe
want
the
to go
best play.
all go in that
Slow
way?
as hell, but well, we need to go
Slow,
up
but
top right, anyways.
Yeah, but we should be able to. Well, wait, we have 3 out of 5, I think.
Top right, we're going. After going top center, going top center.
Is there one in the top left? I want to be sure. No, there isn't. We're good.
Ce n'était rien.
Hello.
Okay, yeah. I go right.
Go left with Evan.
I'll go right with Todd.
Garde. Garde.
There's one more. Oh, you got it.
No, we're
Okay,
good.
you guys got it.
Oh non.
I have a shotgun in case we get caught in any sticky situations.
Qu'est-ce que c'est
To
que
the
ce
left,
bruit?
right?
Left, yeah.
Arrête-toi, voleur.
Sort of.
Qui va là? Ouais, ils ont déguerpi.
No.
Oh,
Thank you.
Watch that. Wow, what a.
sûr
that
d'avoir
was-
entendu.
That was wonderful.
Where's our car?
Out and to the right.
What a wrench.
Boom.
Alright,
Boom.
this is the hard one. This is the hard one.
Okay, we gotta be very careful
our
about
down,
this.
Our down is easy. Our down is
Okay.
easy. We start with our down. Go underground. I'll tunnel us in.
Okay, I'm just
Grab the
following
bomb,
you.
Grab the money.
So I think Evan and I should get the most of the money because the smoke bomb helps us get the top floor stuff, and then Evan and the.
I thought he said the money was shared.
I actually don't know if that's true. I have no idea. I'm sorry.
Oh.
And then we just need to move together on this one, Redhead.
Y a quelqu'un?
Okay, I'll take this card.
Let's just go up.
Quoi?
Je te tiens, scélérat.
Just rush for the vault.
Rush to the vault. Rush to the vault.
So
Okay.
that one of us doesn't get left behind.
Retour à
Also,
la
I can use my
normale.
wrench on this as well.
Redhead?
I had
Oh,
the bomb.
il y a plus rien.
Je vais
I'm good,
te
I'm good, I'm
tuer.
good.
Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way.
Right way.
Okay. It works.
N'était rien.
Right way.
Alright, that seemed way more chaotic than it should have been, but we're good.
We made it
I
out.
feel like that's just
I
us,
accidentally
though.
wasted a
Chaos.
grenade, but also we were all right there, so.
Works. End of waste, but like not really.
Ne bougez pas.
Hey, rich folk.
This is fine, and then we just go up to second floor.
Quoi? Au secours, garde. Je te tiens,
I don't know where
scélérat.
I
Je vais te tuer. Garde.
I was
Je te-
doing that too for a minute.
We're good. That was.
This one is just get to the next floor. I think top was the easiest.
I think you're right.
Okay.
I'll take those hits,
Arrête-toi,
whatever.
voleur. Tu vas là?
Oh yes, because
Yeah. Yes.
Qui va là?
Yeah. I'm like semi-low on health.
You can just walk through.
Vous n'avez rien à faire ici. Ne bougez pas.
Puis j'en fous, on s'en
I have
va
another
dans
band.
le-
I need like
I think
I'm gonna-
all of us need to go together.
I'm gonna take this, and then if you want me to rush in and smoke bomb,
Yeah.
Yeah, do that. That worked really well last time.
You leave. You're leaving.
I can't. I'm locked out.
You're still shooting.
Ready? And boom.
I have no.
Voilà.
Okay. I myself.
Voilà.
That's fine. That's fine. We're unlocking. We're unlocking.
I popped
I got the
some
stairs.
We made it through the hardest part. We just need to get back.
Quoi?
Okay, so go.
Cathedral again.
Up again.
Evan, if you have a band-aid, I'm dead.
I don't.
Shit, Todd got me. Smooth.
Ouais. Bon, ça
It's
devait être...
to the right.
Je vais te
Yeah,
tuer.
pause. It's just down. It's just down and a little to the right.
Quoi? Je vais te tuer.
Good, we're good, we're good.
Alright,
One more.
One more mission.
Clump together. Just stick together. Clump together.
Oh, I'll be hacker then.
Oh yeah, because it only lets you.
All right, so
Grab-
clump together.
I'm gonna grab a
Let
bunch
Ev-
of money up here for
Grab a bunch of
band-aids.
coins. Here. Leave the coins for Evan. I'm gonna go ahead. Fine, that's fine. There.
Is
Right.
it fine?
Maybe it's not fine. Maybe it's actually not fine. This is why there's the band-aids. So let's get that out of the way now.
It's fine.
It's fine, guys. It's fine, guys. Come on. It's
I
fine.
have 3 band-aids and almost a 4th.
Okay, so run straight down. Now.
Yes.
Go, 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 go.
I get the first guy.
And then the second guy
The second guy's too late.
Okay. Do this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
I have 1 band-aid.
Okay.
We go up or do we go to
I
the
have
right?
2 band-aids.
Maybe we went to the right.
Right.
I might need a band-aid. I died. Don't worry about me. You can come after me. Get to safety and then.
Okay.
If I can get maybe Todd to come back and rev me.
I could also just band-aid.
And then those are the band-aids.
Okay.
You know what? No, we have. I'm saving the band-aid for next floor.
Give the band-aid. We don't need it right now.
Oh shit.
Jump scare.
That's fine. I'm right here.
Yeah, wait
So-
for those guys to clear out.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, please let me grab some money. I have 2 band-aids now.
We should be good.
We're good for that.
It's
Garde!
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Garde!
This one.
Get in. Okay. I'll kill everyone.
now-
I'll actually grab money this time.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't.
We all need to, like, kill some. No. We
Right.
all need to kill one of the others.
Or just
Garrett,
don't- or
kill
just don't
Todd,
pick up the
I
trophy.
kill
Or just
Garrett.
Don't pick up the trophy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, wait. Just don't pick up the trophy.
Yeah, that's actually way smarter.
Where's the other trophy?
I'm bottom right. Bottom right.
Bottom right. I picked it up. Shit. Blow me up. Blow me up.
Okay.
You have to
Oh,
kill
that
me
was
twice. That's time.
Okay. Time. Okay.
Oh, that felt real good.
That's gotta be.
That one felt way better.
Okay.
Nice. Great job, gentlemen.
Gentleman.
Your reaction time on the "Don't kill me." I mean, please kill me.
I was ready. Before you even asked, I was ready.